So
watch a movie of my choosing. Like nobody else, because like there's always that like hour of people like, oh, I don't know what I want to watch. And I'm like, I know what I want to fucking watch. Y'all back off.
okay, so waiting for the fireworks to start.
Like,
I was told 10. I heard 10. If not, we will. If not, well, it didn't start at 9:45. That was pretty late. It was. Yeah. So we're not 1,000% sure the fireworks is gonna start, but there's a lot of people here who are clearly of the opinion that there is going to be around sometime now fireworks. It should be 10. Right on the button, so it should start any minute now. Let me just hang out of the way.
And then movie I want to watch the Never Ending Story.
I like brought up the courage.
Okay, I'm totally watching the Never Ending Story. It's a great film. I can't remember how long it is, but it's like no.
So it's going to start any minute now, if we got the time right. So this is like the first big Canada Day firework display since COVID, really. At least we think it's going to be right now.
Never Ending Story. Joan wants to watch it for her birthday. I was like, I've never seen the movie before.
Okay, so also...
This is Halifax at night. Well, Dartmouth at night. Technically. I'm on that since we're on the Halifax side of the water.
I'm thinking of doing it Sunday night.
You were genuinely
Eventually, depending on people's schedules, I know that most people have like days off.
Yeah.
So it makes more sense to hear it instead of like forcing and they say no, figure out the schedule. I'm not gonna make y'all
and I was like, I'm gonna
I'll probably have like a bunch of kids and train.
So we're still waiting for the displays.
Yeah, here's the thing. The night is
already guys, and I was always Connor. Like, no, we're going down to space and say,
nope.
like,
It will not be done around me. It will only be done outside.
No. Stop that right now.
I will buy them.
I just don't like like growing up like an awesome he's like, yeah.
Instead of having
Also, this hat makes me great.
so, well, there's nothing that
I like it. You just offended. You just said like you thought it was offended. No, it wasn't. Connor, what the fuck? Thank you. I'm like, it's not offended.